Liverpool, and they face the World 11. Well, what do you think about this, Alan? It's pretty tough to call. They're good sides, aren't they?
They are two high-caliber sides, and you look at the two sets of players, so much quality in both, and it is difficult at kick-off to separate the two.
Alvaro Aldgate takes charge of this game. To Allen. Downing. The attack carrying a bit of weight here, and the defenders needing some reinforcements. Has a go with the volley. The service was superb. The shot wasn't.
Yeah, there you go. On a plate, but just couldn't take advantage.
Well, this crowd making their feelings known about one of the visiting players. Well, they've got the ball back. A quick break is on. Nasri. Fernando Torres. Downing. Well executed. Ferdinand now making the challenge here. Nasri. For Liverpool, it was a season of good cup results and poor league results. Very poor league results, really, by the standards that are set by men like Kenny Dalglish, and it cost him his job. Had they won the FA Cup to add to the Carling Cup, maybe he would still have been in place.
Yeah, maybe. It's ifs and buts, isn't it? But a legend has gone, and a new man needs to come in. So, testing times for Liverpool. They're up against some big teams in the Premier League with a lot of investment. It's difficult, really, to clamber back up into that top four.
And the opponents come in strongly. Daniel Agger. Well, here we are at Anfield, which is still the home of Liverpool Football Club. The suggestion and indeed the intention was to develop a site just at the back at Stanley Park, but I must say for one, I'm pleased they're still here.
Yeah, I think so, and although the Kop has been seated now, the atmosphere within here is still very special.
And you did touch it, didn't you?
I did touch it, yeah. A well-worked free kick, and the rest is history, as they say.
Arsenal 1989, Liverpool 0, Arsenal 2. It's the first goal, rightly in the record books, to Alan Smith. Oh, in goes the cross. Well, there wasn't the difficulties that the cross seemed to cause in the end, and away come the defensive team. Downing. Steven Gerrard. World 11 want the ball, and they've gone and got it. Is he going to pass the ball now? In a good position. Well, they could have done it, but it hasn't worked out that way. It's gone out to the wingman. Well, he has a go. And the ball like a bar of soap out there, and it's just flown off the outside of the foot.
Yeah, and he might just wonder whether he's chosen the right studs, because it's really wet out there.
And the team relying on its defenders to keep... And the shot at the end of it. And the shot, very straightforward for Pepe Reina to deal with. Now that will be a corner. The opponents have got the ball. So dangerous. And he goes for goal. It will be easily and straightforwardly the goalkeeper's ball. But this isn't going to be a stroll in the park for Liverpool.
No, it's really tough to predict this one, Martin. Can't see a winner at the moment.
World 11 with the ball back. Good ball. Cassano has the ball. Well, this could be a chance. And he strikes for a goal! We're dealing in fine margins here. And that was the finest of margins. The scores are still level, though. Allen. Skirtle. Costa. Liverpool take over possession again. Now the counter-attack could be on here. Luis Suarez. They're passing it well here. Here's the cross. Can he deal with it here? Well, I have to say that the cross was wasted. The opposition will get the ball back here. Antonio Cassano. Oh, and they're on the counter-attack here. quick counter-attack was on, but in the end, it came to nothing. It's a good move for the attacking team, this. To Allen. Well, that is half-time, and the score is 0-0 here. Been a very good watch this first half. So close on the scoreline. But also, both teams are really striving to get goals.
Yeah, and if it carries on like this in the second half, I think we will see some goals. The question is who can be the more clinical.
Well, we're still level here, and we're going to have a substitution. Is this the way to alter the match in their favour? Antonio Cassano. And the supporting cast are there to help. Well, he's caught him out. That defender hasn't done very well this time. He's gone for goal. That's pretty easy for Pepe Reina. Terrific work from the keeper to keep the scores level at 0-0. Fernando Torres! Well, that's a shame, because they worked hard to get the corner and they've made a mess of it.
They did the initial bit well. They created the space, they found the player, but he just couldn't convert.
Play on, that's the message from the ref.
Yeah, I mean, the player might get punished afterwards, but let's see how this move develops.
Good play from the World 11. Now the defender's been called into question, really, by this attacking build-up. He's going to cross it. Tries the volley. Teed up beautifully for the first-time shot, but he's missed it.
Well, it was begging to be hit, wasn't it? The quality of the pass, the weight of it, perfect.
And here it is. Goes for goal, and this is a goal. Well, Alan, they finally got the better of him.
Well, he did as much as he possibly could have. I think sometimes your defenders have got to help out, and they haven't helped the keeper there.
And the score is 1-0. Well, the best way to silence these boo boys is to put in a top-draw performance. Oh, in goes the cross. It's a very audacious attempt from that far out. Samir Nasri! With this goal advantage, they've now got a corner. Shots on goal, let's have a look at the comparison. Just pulled it away by the defender. He's had a go. Well, if it flies into the top corner, you're a hero. If it does that, you're certainly a villain.
Yeah, 1 in 100 will hit the target there, and he's just taken the wrong option.
Excellent control in a tight area. Good. Oh, he'll be offside. Cassano. World 11 want the ball, and they've gone and got it. Fabio Borini. Gomez. That's a good pass. Steven Gerrard. Fabio Borini. And it's now with Liverpool. That's Lahm with the interception. Might need more back here to curb this piece of attacking play. Got to get more men behind the ball, I think. Now it's a throw-in and a chance to keep going forward. Gomez. Here's the cross. Catching practice here from the cross for the keeper. Good ball. Fighting to win possession. He's going to cross it. It's a long shot, and it's a long, long way wide.
Collective groan from everybody there. What a poor decision.
Well, there's a balance for possession here, as the figures show. Well, there might be a break now for them. There was a lot of speed and sharpness in that counter-attack, but it wasn't quite enough. Well, they've got the throw, and possession again. Piqué. Oh, in goes the cross. On the volley. Well, they're a goal up, and now they've got a corner here. Penalty. Penalty out.
Well, he wasn't going to be outwitted there, was he? He kept his eye on the ball and he guessed right.
World 11 with the ball back. Quick ball. Oh, what's the defender done there? That's not good.
No, his body shape wasn't right there.
Done very well to intercept that. Gomez. And that's changed the direction of the play, and they can break quickly now. Counting down towards the end of the 90 minutes. 9 minutes left. Gomez. I do think this team are clever when they do attack. Just like this, they're playing well. Liverpool will get the throw. No, he's thrown it straight to an opponent. Fabio Borini. Downing. Running out of time, but still running as a go with the volley. So here's a corner and maybe a final opportunity. Touch off him, and it's gone out of play. The chance to attack from the throw. Gomez. Here's the cross. Defender didn't have to move to cope with the cross. Gerrard with the ball. Well, they read Steven Gerrard's mind there and saw the direction of the pass. Referee says free kick. Throw in here. Gomez. And the referee has brought a halt to it. That's